catered vacation means expecting more. A place where everything comes together, where no detail goes unnoticed, where the highest standards are set. At Platinum Vine, we create unique travel experiences that are tailored to each client. With an on-site concierge, we're able to take care of your every need. We know your time is important. That's why we make sure your time is spent enjoying your vacation, not planning it. Every meal is thoughtfully prepared. Every detail meticulously thought out. So you can focus on the things that truly matter. Platinum Vine provides custom-catered vacations, serving all the beautiful destinations you can imagine. Your dream vacation awaits.